enshrined in its embodiment. If you look at the sanctity or the history and the environment and so on about Goa, it is about renewable resources, renewable natural and human resources. This is what the Communidad elders and the ancestors understood very well. How to live in harmony. This should not be destroyed. I think with this little message, I'm sure the family of Goa, who cares for Goa as their own mother, will do all that is necessary to protect her. Thank you very much.
As we are coming to the conclusion of this function, I have heartfelt thank you to the members of the media who are going to carry forward this message. This message that you are going to carry forward will be spread all over Goa in the international level. My fellow Goans, whether they are in Goa or abroad, will certainly extend their support to us. We do not want any support from you financially. We only want you to spread this message around and tell this is how, in a small way, we are going forward to save Goa through saving the Communidades. Thank you so much, my media friends. Thank you all for your wonderful tolerance, for waiting so long. I am sure that we will not try to waste your time further on when we have a meeting with you. Thank you so much. I thank all the managing committee with us who have been so patiently waiting with us and did not get an opportunity to talk. But definitely after this meet, we will give you all an opportunity. My media friends can get a one-to-one talk with all the managing committee present here and they give viewpoints. Thank you once again. Thank you. We will share the program with you. Time
ना हांवें गेले ते बाट सांगिल्ले ते भाशेन जनरल बॉडी मिटींग जर तर तूं घेता जाल्यार 3 आयतार पयलें पेपराचेर घालचें पडटा. सो हांवें आमगे कुमदादीन 3 आयतार पयलीं घायिल्लें की 8 तारखेर आमगे काबार जाता असेंब्ली आनी 10 तारखेर जनरल बॉडी आसता म्हणून. So this was a pre-planned general body meeting in which this was part of the agenda where we tried to put it and we got the resolution done to the quorum that is there. आता जे कुमदाद्यो जनरल बॉडी मागतल्यो तांकां 3 समन लागतली. But today we have appealed for the committee to take. To take committee, you do not have to put it on the newspaper, you do not have to do. Committee एकमेकांक coordinate करपा जाय. They have to fix a date, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, come together at whichever Kumdad office, open the minutes book, put up the agenda and discuss and take a resolution. And that resolution copy needs to be given on the 24th August. Why 24th August is because there we are having a monsoon fellowship. जे कुमदादी जो चॅप्टर हा पयली चॅप्टर हा त्या चॅप्टराचे जाणवाय मेळटली, म्हायती मेळटली, शिकपा मेळटलें. जे आमगे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन हा, जे आमगे भुरगे आहाय जे आज ऑलमोस्ट 14 years and above, 15 years and above आहाय, जे कोणाक कुमदादी एंट्री मेळटा तांकां येवपा बरें. मागीर पायन आपल्या भुरग्यां हाडपा थिंगा आनी तेच टायमार आमगे ही रेजोल्युशनां थिंग डिपॉझीट जातली. सो दॅट वील हेल्प अस टू लीड द पाथ अहेड. जनरली आमगे जी हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल आहाय ती सकाळी कोणसा फेस्त आहाय ती सकाळी आजचा ती मीस बी जाल म्हणटरी तें जाता. हो प्रोग्राम वील बी देर इन द इवनिंग. सो मॉर्निंग आजचा ते जाता. सो इट वील नॉट गो. As of now, all the Kumdads are there. There is no Kumdad that is not supporting because this is an illegal bill. Illegal bill. All citizens do not support illegal bills. Legal format of the bill, everybody is ready. As I said, legally जो host करून जाताय त्यो legally आम सगळे ready आहे करपाक आणि illegally जे battle हा ते legally वरपा जाय मुखार.
Why not the caucus of the representative community of Communidad?
कितें?
ते caucus या caucus community representative कित्याक
हुई नाही.
No, 1 minute. Let me address to you this very, very clearly. This meeting is of the managing committees only. If I request this is only for press conference. we will be giving an opportunity to all the Gaonkars, shareholders and everybody who is connected to the Communidad along with the components at our next function, next plan, which will be conveyed to you. Okay, most important, before I finish, I am forgetting the backbone of our movement. Do you know what is the backbone of our movement? It is my legal team. We have a set of about 15 legal luminaries. These people work day and night from morning till evening, and they are the ones who have supported our efforts in going forward with the representations of the Communidades to the media, to the people, to the government, raising all the issues that are faced by the Communidades. A very, very big thank you to them. Without you, it is not possible for us to go forward.
See, जे कुमदादी के कित कोण फॉर्मेट आहा न्हू फॉर वॉट एवर रिजन्स I think that we will understand how to move ahead. Right now, important is before the governor's assent, governor should be briefed, and in order for the governor to be briefed, we should have a wider representation of various kumdads. And how to have the wider representation is first to the committee resolution. So first step, let us cross this. जो kumdadi administrator are, I think we can take up that matter and discuss how we have to move ahead. See, generally, bill आता assembly son thank मेळे opposition आसतना. So the next step is जे भाशेन भूमिपुत्रा bill तेनी सरकारान हाडलें, हेजें नांव चेंज केलां, हें भूमिपुत्रा 2. सो ज्या सरकारान तें केल्लें, आज सरकार तेंच करता. सो मुगे अपील सगळ्यांक कितें, इल्लिगल वस्त जेन्ना सरकार हाडटा ती आपल्यागे फायद्याक हाडटा. सो कोणेय रश करून सरकाराक पयशे दिवचे न्हू, आपल्यागेले रेगुलरायज करपाक. 300 स्क्वेअर मिटराक पयशे सरकाराक दिवचे न्हू, कित्याक तुवें सरकाराक पयशे दिले जाल्यार हें इल्लिगल बील भायर पडटलें आनी तुमगे पयशे सरकारा कडेन अटक जावन उरतले. जे भाशेन 16B पयशे आतां सगळे इन्व्हेस्टरांक 16B पयशे आतां कांय करूंक जायना, पयशे उरले डिपॉझीट, सरकार परतून कांय दिना. सो दॅट वे इट इज गोइंग टू हॅपन. सो माय ओनली रिक्वेस्ट इज request all the Kumdad committee members to please take up the resolution and come with the resolution on the 24th as directed by today.
तुम्ही म्हणले सगळे कम्युनिटी आसा तुमचे बरोबर येतले म्हूण सगळे गोंयान करचे कम्युनिटी, पूण एसेंब्ली चालू आसतना न्ही एक बोगमालो चिकोलनाचो एटर्नी जी डेमोलिशनाक आसा 19 स्ट्रक्चर बोगमालो चिकोलना हेजेर, तो आमी सपोर्टान आमी तेंचे जे डेमोलिशन आसा ताका सपोर्ट ना म्हणटा एटर्नी तेजो. ते रिसेंटली एक मिनिस्टर इनवॉल्ड आसा विथ द ब्लेसिंग ऑफ दॅट मिनिस्टर दॅट कॉलनी हॅव कम इन एग्जिस्टन्स.
See, त्या टॉपिकाचेर म्हज्यान कांय उलोवपाक जायना बिकॉज दॅट इज समथींग रिलेटेड टू अ पर्टिक्युलर कुमदाद न्हू, तेम कितें डिसिजन घेतलें. टुडे दीस फोरम एंड दीस प्रेस इज टू इनवायट एवरी वन. सो आय थिंक लेट्स कीप टू दीस. तेंगे कितें आसा आय थिंक आय हॅव नॉट गॉन टू
Group photograph.
Yeah.
I request all my managing committee members to kindly